Welcome to Eye in the Sky Drones, and we're going to be testing out the active track on the Mavic 2 Zoom. I took the Mavic 2 Zoom to a park, a little bit of obstacles, and we're just going to see how it works. Right now, I'm walking in a wide open space. As you can see, there's no obstacles. Of course, the Mavic 2 is following me fine. It just avoided that branch. But we got it going on, no obstacles to begin with, and it's flying fine. The thing I like about the Mavic 2 Zoom is that it changes height elevation. When you're flying, if it sees an obstacle and it needs to get out of its way, it'll go up and down. Those are some of the things that I didn't find that the Mavic Air can do. But with the Mavic 2 Zoom or the Mavic 2 Pro, it will change height elevation. Okay, now I'm turning the corner and kind of coming up to a few obstacles that we're going to see here on the screen in a few seconds. The first obstacle, thin tree branches. The Mavic 2 Zoom, it detected the branches right there at the opening, and it kind of went down some just to get through this space. As you can see, I turn around several times because I haven't used active track very often, but I wanted to make sure it worked. I wanted to make sure my Mavic 2 was safe. And as we come through this section, you see the park benches and the gate to the left of me, the park benches to the right and trees to the right. The Mavic 2 Zoom followed me this whole time. On the Mavic Air, I would have lost tracking at this point. It wouldn't have been able to follow me, but the Mavic 2 Zoom followed me, changed height elevation at the correct times, and it basically followed me. As I come through this next section, more small tree branches. But just a disclaimer, tree branches, sometimes the drone won't see these, but in this case, the Mavic 2 Zoom saw these branches, got me at the right height elevation, and I was good to go. It's not on par with the Skydio, which basically does tracking, visual tracking all the time, but the Mavic 2 Zoom is a step upgrade from the Mavic Air's Active Track. So Active Track 2.0 is useful. It does work. I'm not a big guy for tracking, but this worked in this scenario. All right. Have a great day flying. Be safe.